let's jump right in. This hair company is called Luhair. As you can see, you get a lot of little goodies in the box: a wig grip, an elastic band, a comb, there's a little thank you card. So you get everything for your wig making process. This is the inside of the wig. You get a lot of combs, and also the curl pattern is beautiful on this wig. I'm just going in doing some light plucking, guys. I want to keep this tutorial as simple as possible. Also, just like I said, just going over and just plucking a little bit here and plucking a little bit there. Some people ask why I pluck my part this way. It's because it's just easier. I get more of an effect, and when I used to do it with the tweezers, it would pull major like holes in the frontal. So this is just easier. Now I'm going to be taking my hot comb and just making the sides and the top flatter. This is going to give you the nice flat like base. Okay, this step is very important. Normally I'll do it off camera on a mannequin head to get it a little bit more precise. That is kind of recommended because those hot combs can get very hot, but that's all I'm going to be doing here. I will be applying this wig with a wig grip, no adhesive. That's just it. I really do like wig grips. They hold pretty good and no strain or anything on your edges. Now here, I'm just going to be cutting the lace. I did cut my ear tabs off because when you're wearing a wig grip with no other adhesive, the ear tabs really don't matter unless you're going to put adhesive to hold them down, because the wig grip definitely will not hold down wig tabs, okay? You will have to go in and use some type of gel or glue to hold down the wig tabs. It will hold that wig though, but I just went ahead and cut mine off. Here I'm just adding a little face powder. Nothing major. I did, however, bleach the knots, but I'm still going over with makeup. As you can see in that part, I over bleached the knots just a little bit, and that is not cute. So I'm going to show you guys just a quick and easy fix on that. What I'm using now is just a wax stick. Look down in the description box and I have everything that I use down below. Okay, this wax stick is pretty cool. It's another product down below that I use to give my hair that shine that's a little bit better and way more inexpensive than this. So check that out also in the links down below. Okay, now we're going to get into how I, spruce up those parts that I over bleached. So I just take regular black hair dye, a Q-tip, and just go in, honey, and that's all I do. I don't do anything long and strenuous. So guys, I tried to actually curl this unit. It was curling pretty okay. Y'all know I'm terrible at curling. I just do not like doing it, and it's really hard for me to do it on my head. But I tried to curl it. I should just keep it in its natural curl state because it's really beautiful like that. But I do have it curled in the next clip, and it's kind of all over the place because I'm not good at curling. This is the hair curled. The hair has so much body and it's so beautiful, but like I said, I'm not an expert curler. Sorry if it looks crazy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so as you guys can see, I'm rocking something a little bit different. Short hair. Y'all know I'm not the biggest fan of short hair, but I'm actually feeling this. This resembles like my natural hair texture so good. Like whenever it's like pressed out, back when I used to get like full out perms, like I just love this bob. It does come, this bob comes wavy, so what I did was, the wave pattern is very, very pretty, but I just like curled the hair to give me like this short, like sophisticated bob, and I just love it, girl. It's like I'm out at the office. So much, so much like body in it, and it's just so pretty. I'm pretty sure it probably would have looked like 10 times better if I would have cut like some layers in it, but I just didn't want to do all that. And then plus for the tutorial, I wanted to make it like as simple as possible. The wig is very pretty. The way it came in like cut like at an angle, so it's like a little bit shorter at the back, and then it comes to the front and gets long, and I think it's really, really pretty. Y'all, I don't have any baby hairs so this wig just comes straight up, and it's just being held on by a wig grip, which was provided by the company. It comes in the box. Okay, so I'm trying to apply my wigs differently, and I'm feeling it. This wig is not going anywhere, and I feel like it looks really, really natural. Like I said, I think it looks really natural. I just put a few light curls in it. I didn't do a lot. Y'all know I hate curling my hair, so I put a few light curls in it. I didn't use any got to be gel. I didn't use any got to be spray or anything. I want you guys to see the luster of this hair. The hair looks really, really good, and like I said, y'all, I'm not that good at like curling, so I have to actually get some good curls by taking it off my head and curling it, because like I said, I'm not good at like curling. I'm sorry, I can't keep my hands out of it because I didn't curl it like right, and now the curls are going all different kind of ways because I caught myself trying to curl it on my head, child. But anyways, this is just so cute. Like I said, no cutting in this hair whatsoever. This is just the natural way that it lays. You could definitely wear it wet and wavy if you would like, but me, I just wanted to rock it like this in this cute little bob. Okay, a lot of people like the short look. They like the more so of like natural look. This definitely would be the wig for you. I like it. I like it. Like, I know you're probably like, please stop touching your hair. I'm sorry. I can't really stop touching it because it's just, I haven't received a wig like this. It's like super soft. I haven't received a lot of shedding with this hair. As far as plucking, I did do a little bit of plucking to the frontal, but I definitely did not do a lot of plucking to the frontal. Okay, so what you kind of see is kind of what it is. I did widen the part, of course, and I literally did such little to this hair, to this wig. It was ridiculous. So let me tell you guys the specs of the hair. So this is a wig named Naomi. It's in the natural color. It is 10 inches. It's 150% density, and it does have a 6-inch part, which I like longer parts. I even could have took the part back a little bit longer because it just makes things look a little bit more natural. Okay, so that's what their front looks like. I don't plan on laying baby hair with this wig. I just plan on wearing it like this. Okay, and like I said, later on I may cut it up and kind of see what I could do. I may add color or whatnot, but for right now, like, I'm feeling it. And I guess I'm feeling it because it's just so easy. Like, I can literally just, you know, just like put this wig on, like take it off and just, you know what I'm saying, take it off, finna go to work or something, and just put it on, and that's it. Like I said, it feels really, really secure with this. I don't have the adjustable straps set. I also don't have the combs in my hair or anything. I just have it just put on and sitting on my head. It fits my head very, very well, so that also helps. The wig is a good fit, so it just fits and it just works. And like I said, I'm feeling it. This is definitely going to be my go-to wig whenever maybe I'm running to the store. I just want to throw something on my hair real quick and I want to look like somebody. This will be my wig. Okay, so anyways, guys, links will be down below. Sorry if this looks kind of messy. I didn't want it to be like super defined. I just wanted like a messy type like a bob. Okay, that's pretty much what I wanted. Okay, like I said, links will be down below. Any questions, comments, concerns, also leave those down below, and I'll be sure to get back to y'all in my next one.